Guys, so I decided to film today and film a little summer night go out makeup look, and I'm digging this lip color right here. I'm loving the Loreal lip kit. It is pretty bomb. I'm loving it. But anyways, if you guys are new, hi, my name is Lexi and welcome to my channel. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my crew and like a couple of videos and all that jazz. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Bye guys.
So first things first, I'm going to be priming the eyes with some Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. So the first shade I am using is from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm going to be packing that shade and then blending. I'm really going to use this technique on all the shades just because I didn't set my concealer on my eyelids, so the colors can appear more vibrant. But just so they don't look so muddy, you want to pack on the shades and then blend them out. The next shade is by Marky Kay and it's called Cinnabar, and I'm just going to be packing that shade on my outer corner of my eyelid and just blend those shadows together. For the next shade, I'm taking my Naked 2 palette in the shade Blackout. Any black eyeshadow will work, and I'm going to be placing that really close to my lash line and just blending that upwards. Now I'm going to be taking some of that Instant Age Rewind Concealer and just doing a half cut crease. I'll do a more in-depth cut crease video soon, but this is just me doing it pretty quick. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild palette that holds 8 shades, and I'm going to be taking that shimmery brow bone shade and just packing that on my cut crease. Now going back with that Cinnabar shade, I'm going to be just touching up my crease area and also using whatever was left from the Raw Sienna brush and just go over everything. And I do use that brow bone shade to highlight my brow bones and inner corners. For lashes, I'm using my Duo Glue, and then the lashes I will be taking are from by Kiss, And then I will be coating my lashes with the roller lash from Benefit. Before face, I'm going to be taking my RoseBud Salve and just applying that on my lips. Then for primer, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish primer and just applying that around my T-zone area. And foundation, I'm using my Cover FX in the shade N40. I had to give y'all a little concert, but to set those brow hairs, I'm using my 3D Browtones from Benefit in the shade 4. Then I will be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 to just highlight my face. To set my whole face, I'm going to be using my Airpun loose face powder in the shade Natural Neutral, and I also do bake with this. For contour, I'm using my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, and I'm using the darkest shade in the palette, which is Mink, and I'm just going to be carving out my face. Then I'm going to be taking my bronzer shade that I just popped off of a bigger palette, and any bronzer will work that you use. This is just a shade that I use. And then I'm going to be taking my Professional Minstar, I think that's what it's called. It's a trio contour, highlight, and blush palette, and I'm using the blush shade to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to be taking the Naked 2 palette and using the shade Tease to contour my nose. I don't know why I love using this shade to contour my nose. then I'm just gonna bake under my contour to clean that up. And then for highlight, I'm using my Mary Loumanizer highlighter, and yeah. To smoke out my lower lash, I'm going to be taking some of that raw sienna and just smoke that out. And then I do take Cinnabar and apply that to deepen up my lower lash line. Then to top that off, I'm using some of my roller lash mascara from Benefit. And for the lips, I am taking my Maybelline lip liner in Totally Toffee and just lining my lips. And for lipstick, I'm using my LA palette lip kit, and I'm taking the shade Matte Matte and Cream and just apply that with a lip pencil. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and show some love. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.